Here's the thing. Beef isn't just about flavor. It's about fueling young athletes, families, and the spirit of summer. That's why the Beef, It's What's for Dinner brand has officially joined forces with the Little League World Series, turning grilling season into a chance to celebrate nutrition and teamwork. This partnership isn't just about burgers and baseball. It's about empowering busy families to feed their kids with high-quality protein that supports growth and performance. But here's where it gets interesting. The collaboration goes beyond slogans. In Bedford, PA, the Pennsylvania Beef Council is amplifying this effort with targeted campaigns. Think billboards along Route 22, digital screens in airports, and live cooking demos featuring dietitians who explain how beef can be a game-changer for athletes. A recent event at the Little League World Series even served over 240 participants a beef-powered dinner, proving that quality protein can be both delicious and essential for players on the field. And this is the part most people miss. Beef isn't just a side dish. It's packed with 10 essential nutrients and high-quality protein that helps children grow strong. When paired with the right recipes, it becomes a powerhouse for families juggling school, practice, and games. But wait, what if we told you that beef could also be the secret ingredient in your family's success? Let us know in the comments. Do you agree that nutrition and sport go hand in hand? The Beef Checkoff program, funded by the sale of beef, ensures these partnerships get the support they need. Meanwhile, Little League, the world's largest youth sports organization, is all about teaching life lessons through baseball and softball. From local leagues to global tournaments, their mission is clear. Every player learns values that carry into adulthood. And now, thanks to this partnership, families have access to resources that make it easier to keep their kids fueled and ready for anything. So next time you're planning a meal, remember, beef isn't just for dinner. It's for dreams, dedication, and the next big game. Visit beefitswhatsfordinner.com to explore how you can add more beef to your family's meals. After all, when you feed a child, you're feeding a future leader. What do you think? Share your thoughts below.